Hello students, this is Professor here, and today we are going to continue with the same exercise. Okay, and we are going to start with number 4. So number 4, the question is expand using the suitable identities, isn't it? So now we'll go to question number 1, and question number 1 is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So you have to expand this using suitable identity. So which identity do you think we will use here? So I have given you given you many identities in the last class, isn't it? So I hope you have gone through it, and today we are going to use it. Today we are going to use it in the sums. Okay, and the sum is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square, means it is in the form a plus b plus c whole square, isn't it? So what is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square? It is a square. So a here is x. So a square plus b square, b is 2y, plus c square, that is 4z, isn't it? So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, b is what? 2y, plus 2b, that is 2yc, that is 4, 2bc plus 2c, that is 4z into a, that is x, isn't it? Okay, so this is the formula. Why? Because a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so it is x square only plus 2y square is 2 square is 4y square, isn't it? Plus this one is 4 square is 16z square. Okay, so I am opening the bracket. So next 2 into x, 2x into 2y, that is 2 to the 4, x into y, xy. Okay, so next plus 2 to the 4, 4 for the 16, because we will multiply the coefficients and then the variables. Next variable is y into z, y, z, and the last one is plus 2 for the 8, z into x, zx. So this is the expanded form. And which identity did we use? We used a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Okay, so next we'll do number 3, and number 3, the question is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Here also we will use the same identity. Okay, then now what is a here? A is minus 2x. Okay, minus 2x, not only 2x. Okay, because we have the identity a plus b plus c, means a, b, c, all the signs should be plus. Okay, so to make the sign plus here, we'll take this along with the sign. Okay, so a square means minus 2x whole square plus b square is 3y square plus c square is 2z square plus 2ab, isn't it? A is what? A is minus 2x. B is what? 3y. So it is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc. bc means 3y into 2z plus 2c, that is 2z a, that is minus 2x. Okay, so next what will you put? You will open the bracket. So minus square is plus, so 2 square is 4 x square. Okay, so here it is 9y square plus here it is 2 square is 4 z square. Now you have to open the bracket here. Okay, so we have reached here, so it will be plus into minus, minus. First we will open the sign. So next 2 to the 4, 4 3 is a 12 x into y, xy. Okay, you have to see the sign. Here it is plus plus plus, so no problem. 2 3 is a 6, 6 2 is a 12, so plus 12 y z. So the next one is, here we have minus sign here, no? So that's why we have to multiply sign. Plus into minus, minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 z x. So this is the expanded form. Okay, So this is how you will expand, and the remaining sums from question number 4 I want you to do it. That is number 2, number 4, number 5 and number 6. These sums I want you to do it as your homework. Okay, so then we'll move to the next one, question number 5, that is factorize. Okay, so in number 1 we have 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So this is just opposite of this one. Okay, in the previous question we expanded, now we will factorize, means we will go from in previous question we are coming down like this using identity. Okay, so now we'll go from here to here. Okay, so this is just exactly opposite. So this means we will take this to in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, so 4x square I can write it as 2x square, isn't it? Plus 9y square I can write it as 3y square, isn't it? Is it? So plus 16z square I can write it as 4z square. But here what you have to see is somewhere you can see minus sign. Where? Here, isn't it? In these two places. Okay, so in such cases you have to see any one variable is negative. Okay, because here if b and c and a, if all are positive, then you can see in the in this expression here all the terms are positive, isn't it? So in that case no negative sign will come in the answer, isn't it? But here you can see if there is some negative, then what will happen? Here we will see the negative sign. So here also we are seeing the negative sign, means some term is negative. So which one you will see is, how will you see? Here you can see it is yz. Okay, let us see just the variables. Yz, here we will see xz. So which one is common in both? That is, we are seeing only this two. Why? Because here we have minus. No, we are not seeing this one. Okay, so since here also we have minus, here also we have minus, either y or z is negative or x or z is negative. Okay, but in the both case we have one variable common, that is z, isn't it? So z is negative, that means it is minus 4z square. Okay, so minus square is plus, so we will get the same answer. Okay, plus, so 2, because we have 2ab, right? What is a? 2x, and b is 3y. Now see, you will get the same term, 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12xy, isn't it? So next, plus, I am writing plus, though we have minus here, because actual form of the identity is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so all are positive, that's why I am writing positive. But what I will do is I will manage to write z as negative. Okay, so 24, that is 2, this is 2ab, no, 2ab, after that 2bc, b is what? 3y, b, c, what is c? C is minus 4z, isn't it? So now if you open this, you will get the same thing. Okay, so 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24, plus into minus minus yz, you will get the same thing. Similarly here also plus twice ca, the last one is ca, right? So c is what? Minus 4z, and what is a? A is 2x, isn't it? So 2 4 is 8, 8 2 is 16, so you will get the same thing. Okay, so this is in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. This is what? A plus b plus c whole square. So what is a? 2x plus b is 3y plus c is minus 4z whole square. Means if I open this bracket, then 2x plus 3y plus into minus minus 4z whole square. Okay, so this is how you will do. Okay, I am opening this bracket, because this I will write it as same, but this is plus into minus minus 4z square whole square. Okay, so this is how you will do. Okay, in the similar manner I want you to do number 2 as your homework, number 5, number 2 as your homework. Okay, so quickly we'll move to the next question, and the next question is number 6. Write the following cubes in the expanded form. It's very easy one. Okay, just question number 1, we'll quickly go through it. 2x plus 1 whole cube. So it is already given in the question that it is a cube. So in which form it is? It is a plus b whole cube, right? So what is the formula for it? What is the formula for a plus b whole cube? It is a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square plus b cube, isn't it? So if you remember the identity, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square plus b cube. So open the bracket, 2 cube is 8x cube, isn't it? Plus this one, 3 ones are 3 into 2 square is 4x square, isn't it? Plus this one is 3 into 2x, 6x into 1 square is 1, plus 1 cube is also 1. Okay, so it is how much? 8x cube plus 3 fours are 12x square plus 6x into 1, 6x plus 1. So this is the expanded form. Okay, so this was very easy. Just you have to use the identity and you can do number 2, number 3 and number 4 as your homework. Okay, so now next we can move to question number 7, and question number 7 says evaluate using suitable identities. Okay, and number 1 is 99 whole cube. So like we have already done for the square, isn't it? First I will write it as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Okay, I have to use the identity. Okay, I cannot directly multiply. Okay, so now what we have to do, you have to put the identity now. So what is the identity? A minus b whole cube. What is the formula for a minus b whole cube? It is a cube minus b cube, isn't it, minus 3ab into a minus b. So this was the formula for a minus b whole cube, isn't it? Okay, is it? So if you use this, then what is 100 cube? If you see, this will be this much, 100 cube minus 1 cube is 1 minus this is 300 into 99, isn't it? So how much is this one? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh minus 1 is how much? 9 lakh 99,999. Okay, minus 300 into 99 is how much? You just have to put 20 and 99 into 3 is how much? It's very easy. It's 297. So if you do this one, then you have to subtract now. So I hope you know how to subtract. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 7, 2, isn't it? So 9 minus 9, zeros, and 5. 9 minus 2, 7, and at last 9. So this is the answer. We just have to use the identity without multiplying directly. Okay, so this is how you'll do this one. So here also I want you to do number 2 and number 3 as your homework. Okay, so then this much for today. Now we'll continue in the next class. Okay.